What if the foods you place on your plate every week could quietly influence how well you age, how strongly your heart beats, how clearly your brain works, and how many healthy years you may enjoy? Longevity is not built from one miracle ingredient. It is shaped by daily choices that protect your cells, lower inflammation, support metabolism, and help your body repair itself. Across the world, the healthiest aging patterns have something important in common. Meals are built around simple, minimally processed foods rather than extreme diets. These foods provide fiber, healthy fats, antioxidants, protein, vitamins, and minerals that work together. The goal is not simply to live longer, but to stay active, independent, energetic, and mentally sharp. In this video, you will discover 12 of the healthiest foods linked to a longer, healthier life, why they matter, and how to include them in realistic meals. Stay until the end, because the final food is one of the most overlooked choices for healthy aging, and the simple weekly strategy after it may help you use this entire list without changing everything at once. Brain and heart protection. Blueberries are small, but they are packed with anthocyanins, the pigments responsible for their deep blue color. These powerful plant compounds help protect cells from oxidative stress and may support healthier blood vessels, memory, and brain function as you age. Their natural sweetness also makes them an easy replacement for heavily processed desserts. Blueberries also provide fiber and vitamin C, while remaining relatively low in calories. Fiber supports digestion, steadier blood sugar, and a healthier gut microbiome, which may influence inflammation throughout the body. Regularly eating berries has been associated with healthier aging patterns because they deliver concentrated plant nutrition in a form that is simple, enjoyable, and easy to repeat. Add blueberries to oatmeal, Greek yogurt, smoothies, or a bowl of mixed fruit. Frozen berries are often just as practical as fresh ones and can help you eat them throughout the year. You do not need a large serving to benefit. A small handful several times per week can add protective nutrients to your routine without requiring a complicated recipe or an expensive supplement. Brain, bone, and blood vessel support. Spinach, kale, arugula, and other leafy greens provide folate, vitamin K, magnesium, potassium, carotenoids, and natural nitrates. These nutrients support circulation, bone strength, and normal cellular function. Leafy greens are especially valuable because they deliver a large amount of nutrition for very few calories. The antioxidants in leafy vegetables help defend cells from damage, while their fiber supports healthy digestion and cholesterol control. Natural nitrates can also support the production of nitric oxide, a molecule that helps blood vessels relax and function efficiently. Over time, better circulation may support the heart, brain, muscles, and the ability to remain active later in life. Use leafy greens as more than a side salad. Add spinach to eggs, blend kale into soups, place arugula under grilled fish, or mix chopped greens into lentils and beans. Cooking can reduce the volume and make larger portions easier to eat. The healthiest choice is not the green with the most impressive reputation. It is the one you enjoy enough to keep buying and preparing. Long-lasting heart and gut protection. Beans, lentils, chickpeas, and peas provide plant protein, resistant starch, minerals, and an impressive amount of fiber. They digest slowly, help you stay full, and support steadier blood sugar. In many traditional eating patterns associated with longevity, legumes appear regularly because they are affordable, versatile, and deeply nourishing. Their soluble fiber can help reduce the absorption of cholesterol, while resistant starch feeds beneficial gut bacteria. Those bacteria produce compounds that support the intestinal lining and may help regulate inflammation. Legumes also make it easier to reduce reliance on processed meats because they provide satisfying texture and protein in soups, stews, salads, and grain bowls. Start with 2 or 3 legume-based meals each week. Add lentils to soup, chickpeas to salad, black beans to rice, or white beans to tomato-based dishes. Canned beans are perfectly useful when rinsed to remove excess sodium. Increase portions gradually if you are not used to high-fiber foods, and drink enough water so your digestive system can adapt comfortably. Heart protective healthy fat. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fat and polyphenols, natural compounds that help protect cells and blood vessels. It is a central part of Mediterranean-style eating patterns, which are widely associated with better cardiovascular health and healthier aging. Its value comes not only from what it adds, but also from what it can replace. Using olive oil instead of butter, shortening or highly processed sauces can improve the overall fat quality of a meal. Its polyphenols may support antioxidant defenses and a healthier inflammatory response. Healthy fats also help the body absorb fat-soluble nutrients from vegetables, meaning a small amount of olive oil can make a colorful salad or cooked vegetable dish even more nourishing. Drizzle extra virgin olive oil over salads, beans, roasted vegetables, or whole grain toast. Use it in dressings with lemon, herbs, and garlic instead of sugary bottled sauces. Although it is healthy, it is still calorie-dense, so a moderate amount is enough. The goal is not to pour it over everything, but to use it consistently as your main added fat. Healthy fats for the heart and brain. Almonds, walnuts, pistachios, and other nuts provide unsaturated fats, plant protein, fiber, magnesium, vitamin E, and protective plant compounds. Their combination of nutrients supports fullness, blood vessel health, and more stable energy. Walnuts are especially notable for providing a plant source of omega-3 fat. Nuts may support healthy cholesterol levels when they replace refined snacks such as cookies, chips, or candy. Their fiber and fat slow digestion, helping a small serving feel satisfying. They also provide minerals involved in muscle, nerve, and blood pressure regulation. Because longevity depends partly on maintaining strength and cardiovascular health, these small foods can make a meaningful contribution. Choose plain or lightly roasted nuts without heavy sugar coatings. A small handful makes a practical snack, while chopped nuts can be added to oatmeal, yogurt, salads, or roasted vegetables. Portion them before eating rather than consuming them directly from a large bag. Their calories add up quickly, but when used intentionally, they are one of the easiest healthy foods to repeat. Omega-3 support for the heart, brain, and muscles. Salmon provides high-quality protein, vitamin D, selenium, and the omega-3 fats, EPA and DHA. These fats support normal heart rhythm, blood vessel function, brain health, and the body's inflammatory balance. Protein also becomes increasingly important with age because it helps preserve muscle, strength, and physical independence. Maintaining muscle is one of the most important but overlooked parts of healthy aging. Strong muscles support balance, mobility, glucose control, and recovery from illness or inactivity. Salmon offers protein together with healthy fat, making it more than a heart food. It can support several systems at once, especially when it replaces heavily processed or deep-fried meals. Aim to include fatty fish such as salmon once or twice per week if it fits your diet. Bake it with lemon and herbs, grill it with vegetables, or add cooked salmon to a grain bowl. Frozen salmon can be economical and convenient. Avoid turning it into an unhealthy meal with excessive breading or creamy sauces. Simple preparation allows its natural benefits to remain the focus. Steadier cholesterol, blood sugar, and energy. Oats contain beta-glucan, a special soluble fiber that forms a gel-like substance in the digestive tract. This can help slow digestion, support healthy cholesterol levels, and improve fullness. Oats are also inexpensive, widely available, and easy to combine with other longevity foods such as berries, nuts, seeds, and yogurt. A fiber-rich breakfast can help prevent the rapid rise and fall in energy that often follows sugary cereals or pastries. Oats feed beneficial gut bacteria and provide minerals such as magnesium and manganese. They are not a magical weight loss food, but they create a strong foundation for appetite control, digestive health, and better food choices throughout the day. Choose plain rolled or steel-cut oats more often than heavily sweetened instant packets. Cook them with milk or water, then add cinnamon, blueberries, walnuts, or a spoonful of yogurt. Savory oats with eggs, vegetables, and herbs are another option. The key is to keep added sugar low so the natural fiber and whole grain benefits are not overwhelmed. Cell protection and powerful plant nutrition. Broccoli and other cruciferous vegetables contain vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, fiber, carotenoids, and sulfur-containing compounds such as sulforaphane. These compounds activate natural defense pathways inside the body and help cells respond to stress. Broccoli also supports digestion and adds substantial volume to meals. Cruciferous vegetables may help the body process certain compounds and maintain a healthier inflammatory balance. Their combination of fiber and water supports fullness, while their micronutrients contribute to bone, immune, and blood vessel health. No vegetable can prevent disease on its own, but regularly eating a variety of cruciferous vegetables strengthens the overall protective quality of your diet. Steam, roast, stir-fry, or lightly sauté broccoli instead of boiling it until it becomes soft and colorless. Add lemon, garlic, olive oil, or herbs for flavor. You can also rotate cauliflower, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, and bok choy to receive a wider range of plant compounds. Variety matters because different vegetables support support the body in slightly different ways: protein, bone, and gut support. Plain Greek yogurt provides protein, calcium, phosphorus, and beneficial live cultures when the label confirms their presence. Its protein helps protect muscle, while calcium supports bones and normal nerve function. Fermented foods may also support microbial diversity in the gut, an area increasingly connected with immune and metabolic health. As people age, both muscle loss and declining bone strength can threaten independence. Greek yogurt can support both areas in one convenient food, especially at breakfast or as a snack. The live cultures may help digestion, while the thicker texture increases satisfaction. However, flavored varieties can contain large amounts of added sugar, changing a healthy food into something closer to dessert. Choose plain Greek yogurt and add your own blueberries, cinnamon, nuts, or chopped fruit. It can also replace mayonnaise or sour cream in dips and sauces. People who avoid dairy can look for fortified alternatives with protein, calcium, vitamin D, and live cultures. The label matters because some plant-based products contain very little protein despite appearing similar. Heart and skin protection from lycopene. Tomatoes provide vitamin C, potassium, folate, and lycopene, a red carotenoid with antioxidant activity. Lycopene helps protect cells from oxidative stress and has been studied for its role in cardiovascular health. Tomatoes are especially useful because they can be eaten fresh, cooked, roasted, blended, or added to countless meals. Cooking tomatoes with a small amount of healthy fat can improve the body's absorption of lycopene. This makes tomato sauce with olive oil, garlic, and herbs a nutritious choice when it is not overloaded with sugar or sodium. Tomatoes also add flavor and moisture to meals, helping healthier foods such as beans, vegetables, and whole grains become more enjoyable. Use fresh tomatoes in salads and sandwiches, or cook canned tomatoes into soups, lentils, and vegetable sauces. Look for no added sugar options and compare sodium levels when possible. Concentrated tomato paste can also provide strong flavor and lycopene in a small amount. A healthy diet becomes easier to maintain when nourishing ingredients also make meals taste satisfying. Immune and cellular support with very few calories. Mushrooms provide B vitamins, selenium, copper, fiber, and unique bioactive compounds. Some varieties also contain vitamin D when exposed to ultraviolet light. Their rich, savory flavor makes them useful for reducing the amount of processed meat in meals without leaving the dish bland, empty, or unsatisfying. Mushrooms contain antioxidants such as ergothioneine and glutathione, which help the body manage oxidative stress. They also offer compounds that interact with immune function and the gut microbiome. Research continues to explore their role in healthy aging, but their nutrient density, low calorie content, and ability to improve meal quality already make them a valuable weekly food. Sauté mushrooms with garlic, add them to eggs, mix them into lentil dishes, or roast them beside vegetables. Combining chopped mushrooms with lean meat can stretch a meal while increasing fiber and plant nutrients. Choose edible varieties from trusted sources and cook them properly. Their deep flavor can help healthy recipes feel richer without depending on heavy sauces. Healthy energy, vision, and gut support. Sweet potatoes provide fiber, potassium, vitamin C, and beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. This nutrient supports vision, immune function, and healthy tissues. Their natural sweetness makes them satisfying, while their fiber helps slow digestion compared with many refined carbohydrate foods. Sweet potatoes can support a longevity-focused diet because they provide energy together with protective nutrients rather than empty calories. Purple varieties contain additional pigments with antioxidant properties, while orange varieties are especially rich in beta-carotene. Keeping the skin when appropriate can increase fiber, helping support digestion and a healthier gut environment. Bake or roast sweet potatoes and pair them with beans, fish, eggs, or Greek yogurt for a balanced meal. Avoid covering them with large amounts of sugar, syrup, or butter. Cinnamon, paprika, herbs, tahini, or a small drizzle of olive oil can add flavor. Simple preparation keeps the food satisfying while preserving the reason it belongs on this list. You do not need to eat all 12 foods every day, and you do not need a perfect diet to support a longer, healthier life. Begin with a simple weekly pattern: berries several times, leafy greens most days, beans in 2 meals, fish once or twice, nuts as a snack, and vegetables in different colors. Repeated choices matter far more than one unusually healthy meal. Now tell me in the comments, which of these 12 foods do you already eat every week, and which one will you add first? Your answer may help another viewer find an easy place to begin. And if this video made healthy aging feel simpler and more practical, subscribe to Healthy Grams and turn on notifications for more powerful everyday foods and realistic nutrition strategies. Remember, longevity is not only about adding years to your life. It is about protecting the strength, mobility, energy, memory, and independence that make those years meaningful. Build meals from simple foods. Stay active. Sleep well, manage stress, and give your body consistent support. The healthiest future is rarely created by one dramatic decision. It is built by the choices you repeat.